Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tobias Uding. I'm responsible head of sales at costdata. Costdata is located in Cologne, Germany, and we are supporting since 1997 companies all around the world with our costing data for product and service costing. So that means you get data within our solution, costdata market data for materials, for machines, for location factors, for labor costs, and also for overheads, for all the data which you need for do costing. The solution itself is a SaaS solution. It's a cloud-based solution, and it is based on named user license. So very easy to implement and very easy to scale. For example, you get data for metal alloys, more than 33,000, and here you can simulate easily different semi-finished product effects. You can see prices for markets all around the world and for different volume discounts. You get historical data to track and to calculate retrospectively, and you get as well PCF, so CO2 values for the carbon footprint calculation. The same, for example, for plastics, more than 14,000. Here we can simulate different effects as well as we have historical data, as well as we have carbon footprint data for more than 130 countries. So it's not only metals, plastic, it's also available for chemicals, electronics, raw materials, construction materials, and agriculture products. You can see very quickly machine hourly rates. You get the description for the machine as well as the economical data. You can simulate for more than 130 countries with more than 4,100 regions for more than 25 industries a machine hourly rate. You see here, you can add to get a machine hourly rate all in. The operator easily means you have also access to the labor cost database here, and you can include the overheads from a costdata overhead database to get the machine hourly rate all in. If you need any specific data on its own, you can step into the single database, for example, location factors or labor costs. So all of our data are based on our own research. We have our own research team, which is using primary data, secondary data. We are using mathematical models as well as our insights from projects and the feedback of our clients. So the mix of all this data gives you a valid benchmark, a representative average of the market, which you can use in different situations. For example, in procurement, to understand whether the cost of your buying part of your purchase parts are too high. You can use them in R&D, starting from early stage over the different cycles to simulate the costing effects. You can use it in controlling and sales to understand your own competitiveness in relation to your own data and your own costs, or in relation to the market, to your competitors, to the clients, to understand whether your cost structure, your quoting cost structure is quite competitive. You can not only use this data here, you can also use them in a dashboard. You see, you get the list, you can track them, you can analyze them, you can report them. So this information is also, this functionality is also available. And last but not least, you get an included export functionality that you get into Excel, a little calculator. This is our, you see here, costdata easy product estimator. You can use the data, write them from the market data into the Excel, and calculate easily within a few steps the cost of a product. So this is the support we are adding here for all of our SAP clients. The software can be connected to, as I said, procurement software, PLM software, Ariba, or also HANA. So feel welcome to contact me if you want to see more about the data, more about the possibilities to work with that. This is an outstanding solution, gives you the right, valid, and representative data to understand your competitiveness in global markets. I would like to talk with you further about that. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.